Welcome back, Frank and friends. Today I start a new series called Who I Follow, and this is an homage to all of the YouTubers that have inspired me over the last 5 years. 5 years ago, I got back into computer hardware as a teen in the 1970s. I played with 8-bit microprocessors. In the 80s, I had a Commodore 64 and a Cosmac VIP 1802 single board computer, and I left behind hardware to focus on software and make a career of that. But when I started to have more free time, I decided to get back into hardware, and I needed someone to kind of remind me of all the things that you can do, especially in a modern era. And among them were David Murray, the 8-bit guy. So I spent a good deal of time watching his channels, especially his work on refurbishing old computers and retrobrighting. He was among the very first of the YouTubers I started to follow. And so here's a quick history and background of David Murray, the 8-bit guy.
Hi, my name is David, otherwise known as the iBook Guy. Let me tell you a little bit about what I do.
So, meet David Murray, better known as the 8-bit guy, and prior to that, the iBook Guy, is basically a self-taught technologist, musician, and storyteller who's turned his lifelong fascination with old computers into one of YouTube's most beloved retro tech channels. He started in 2009 as the iBook Guy, showing viewers how to repair and upgrade Apple laptops, but nostalgia soon pulled him to his true passion, floppy drives and the glow of CRTs. So rebranding in 2014, David began teaching how 8-bit and 16-bit systems really worked, restoring vintage hardware, exploring early programming, and breathing new life into computers like the Commodore 64 and the Apple II. As his audience grew, so did his ambitions. He wrote new games for old machines, including Planet X2, Planet X3, and Attack of the Petsky Robots, proving that creativity on classic hardware never died. Then came his biggest project yet, the Commander X16, a brand new 8-bit computer designed from scratch to be simple, powerful, and entirely understandable. Beyond computers, David also restores classic arcade games with his brother over at Time Rift Arcade. It's a community effort to preserve and share the golden age of coin-op entertainment. And off camera, he experiments with solar energy, electric vehicles, and off-grid living. And he applies that same DIY spirit to those activities. And through his other channel, 8-Bit Keys, he celebrates vintage synthesizers and chip music sounds. So from an early IT repairman and up to educator, game developer, and hardware designer, David Murray reminds us that the technology isn't just about progress, it's also about passion, creativity, curiosity, and fun, and keeping the magic of the 8-bit era alive. So thanks very much to David Murray and the 8-bit guy. You've inspired me and literally a million others. Please keep doing what you're doing, and I look forward to seeing you soon. As always, please don't like this video, don't subscribe to my channel, don't watch my other channels, don't click up there or over there. Your time is precious. Thank you so much for spending part of it with me, and I'll see you next time on Dr. Frankentosh.